everyone. So today I went into Hobby Lobby and I searched out specifically clearance items. So first I went to the actual clearance section and they had the papery shop, a whole bunch of these spools of, I'm not sure if they're just spools of paper, of patterned paper or actual tape. I tried to get a good look at the front of this one that is a distressed wood pattern. And I couldn't see because of the stickers. I couldn't find out exactly what it is, but these were marked down from $5 to $1.25. So I'm thinking they're either tape or you can maybe peel a backing off of them and they become tape. And then they had some ribbons in there. And you'll see throughout the video that the papery shop had quite a few of their items marked down. So I just thought I would share these with you. They had some of their calligraphy pens, some with like one missing marker marked way down. And they also had the Heidi Swapp Magnolia Jane 12x12 paper pad. I believe that was $3.75. So that one has a lot of really pretty modern and vintage looking sheets that are one-sided. Really pretty patterns. And they still had a lot of their foam stamps marked down to 75 cents. Lots of paper stacks in different types of patterns. Those were all marked down to around $1. And then they still have some of their Brea Reese, at least here in Phoenix. And they had the Brea Reese metallic whipped Inca Gold type stuff. They still had some of the paint writers with the heavy body acrylics. And then I wanted to show you the Momenta No Drip stencil paint because they still had quite a few of those colors left. And I believe those were 75 cents. Then they had a whole selection of Bob Ross oils, and if you're an oil painter, I think these are a pretty good deal on these because they're large bottles, and I believe they were $3.25. And then they had some of this white liquid acrylic of his that was, I want to say, around $3. They had the Brea Reese texture pebbles, a few bottles of those left. And then in the duct tape, they had some things that I had seen at Joann, some of the same patterns, and just thought I'd give you kind of a close-up look at some of those. They had this holographic one for $1.49, marked down from $6. Some skinnier duct tape. And they even had some decorative panels for curtain type stuff, and here I couldn't get a very good shot of that, but those were sequins that were marked down to 75 cents. Then they had in the kids section all these Playside creations. Most of them were camping themed, and they look like just foam sticker type things that you could do projects with your kids. They had these little paper cups for 79 cents and little paint writers, $1.50. Then next they had these oversized paper clips. I thought these were super cute. This is from the flea market line. Those were, let me see if I can get a better shot of the price. They had the giant gold ones. These were, I believe, $1.50. And then of course you get the mason jar that it comes in. They had some twine. And another one with the giant paper clips. That one was $3.25. In the sticker section, they had a few of the Jolie's Boutique stickers marked down, mostly seasonal. So I saw some Christmas. There was definitely some school-themed ones with the homecoming one that you saw, the first day of school, and then more Christmas. Those were all $1. So I thought those were really cute, and oh, and a wedding themed one or an engagement themed one for $1. And I tried to just keep a lookout for the yellow stickers. They had these pretty ballet slippers for $1. And more of the flea market line. So they had tassels, they had these push pins for $1.50 with cute little designs on them. And some of the themed paper clips, little bow ties. These were all around $1.25 to $1.50. They had these little push pens with sayings on them, and then a really cute set with popsicles. So in with the washi, they had just a few that were marked down. So this one was marked down to $1.25 from $5. A cat themed one that looks like watercolor. Really pretty. Nice little side shot of my cart and purse. And then in with the Ranger stuff, they had quite a bit of Heidi Swap. Some of the same stuff that I saw at Joann's. So I believe these long strips you can either put in her light boxes or maybe use them as wall decals. So these were $1. And I had hoped to see some Ranger stuff on clearance, but I did not, unfortunately. I was looking for like any Tim Holtz or Diane Reevely, but none of that was marked down, at least at this Hobby Lobby. They had a lot of scrapbook album type stuff that was marked way down. More planner type stuff as well. And just some random stuff from their mixed media line, burlap and little wooden paper clips that were painted black. They still have the Carpe Diem, a few of these planners for $6.25. They had one of the Create 365 planners. I believe that one was around $6. And a wedding paper crafting kit for $2.50. More from the Paperie shop. This one was $2. Comes with lots of different shapes. Some of them had die cuts, doilies, different patterned papers. And then they had more rolls of paper. I did not see the rustic flowery one, but I saw some other really pretty prints. And some chipboard with some letters. So one says Faith. I'm not sure what the other one says. So I hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough of Hobby Lobby, and just remember as you're walking through that there is a clearance section, but there's also clearance throughout the store. So any aisle that you walk down, if you see the yellow stickers, those will be clearance items. Enjoy! I hope you have a crafty rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.